Good morning from Coach Dom. I'm driving a load of metal before workout on Happy Halloween, Weird Hat Day, in my crappy white tee, which might be the name of my next clothing company, Crappy White Tees. I know, who cares? My comment for this morning is I live in Southern California and I'm in my Dickies shorts and a t-shirt, but it's cold out here. I mean, it's not snowing like Minnesota or something. I know, no one cares if I'm cold or not, but listen, if you got to hustle and you can do it before work or school, go do it. No one cares if it's cold or if it's still dark out. You just get out there and hustle. And this metal thing that I do, I've done it over a lot of years, and people know what I do. They call me to pick it up, or they deliver it to me, or I pick it up back and forth to work. And we'll see in a few minutes after I dump it what I came up with this morning before work. Here we are, gonna get weighed. There's the mountain of steel. Be safe, kids, when you do this stuff. Always wear gloves, be safe. And I don't know if you need to pay homage, but the mountain of steel, all hail. Now we drive back home to work, but you gotta see all these trains and containers on Alameda in Los Angeles. Woo! I guess they're bringing in all the stuff from China for Christmas. Americans like to buy lots of stuff. So kids, we made a quick 80 bucks. The price is pretty good, $180 per gross ton. That's 2,240 pounds because I'm a science teacher and I roll like that. So I did all this before work. I'm just saying, have that mindset. You don't have to do a job at a certain time of the day. You want to hustle, get out there and hustle before work, before school. Get a truck, haul stuff, but be safe. A lot of people will say, hey, easy for you, but listen, I got a truck. I like to hustle. I'm showing this to the kids. A lot of kids look at this story and they go, how do you do it? I'm not waiting to get a side job at a business. I'm doing this on my own. I want to teach the kids that are watching, listen, provide a service or a product. Get out there and hustle. Be safe. Don't think about getting a car, get a truck. You can haul stuff, do stuff, let people know what you do, and the work will slowly come to you. Be safe no matter what you're doing, dealing with people or heavy metal scrap loads like me. Have a great day, kids. Talk to you soon. Coach Tom, Costa, out.